Find a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Slowly exhale, allowing your body to settle into a state of ease. Shift your attention to your breath. Feel the cool air as you inhale and the warm air as you exhale. Let your breath become a steady, calming rhythm that guides you deeper into relaxation. Set a personal intention for this meditation. It might be, I am balanced and energized, or I am open to love and light. Hold this intention gently as you continue. Visualize a brilliant violet or white light radiating from the top of your head, your crown chakra. Inhale this divine connection and universal energy. Exhale any feelings of disconnection. Feel your unity with the cosmos and the divine. Now, focus on your third eye chakra, situated between your eyebrows. Imagine a deep indigo light pulsating here. Inhale the wisdom and insight this light offers. Exhale any illusions or confusion. Embrace your inner vision and intuition. Shift your awareness to your throat chakra, located at your throat. Visualize a clear blue light shining brightly. Inhale the energy of truthful expression and communication. Exhale any fears of judgment or silence. Bring your focus to your heart chakra in the center of your chest. See a beautiful green light glowing here. Inhale love, compassion, and healing energy. Exhale any grief or resentment. Move your attention to your solar plexus chakra, located in your upper abdomen. Picture a radiant yellow light emanating from this area. With each breath, draw in confidence and personal power. Release any feelings of shame or doubt. Now, shift your focus slightly downward to your sacral chakra, just below your navel. Envision a vibrant orange light swirling here. Inhale this creative, passionate energy. Exhale any guilt or emotional blockages. Embrace the joy and vitality within you. Finally, direct your attention to your root chakra at the base of your spine. Visualize a warm red light glowing here. Inhale the grounding energy of this red light. Exhale any fear or insecurity. Feel your connection to the earth, stable and secure. Allow all these energies to flow through your entire body, from the top of your head to the base of your spine. Visualize each chakra spinning and glowing brightly, perfectly balanced and aligned. Imagine a golden light surrounding your entire body, filling you with love, energy, and peace. This light nurtures and protects you, enhancing the activation of your chakras. Take a few more deep breaths, absorbing this nurturing energy. Gradually, bring your awareness back to the present moment. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Stretch if it feels good, and open your eyes when you are ready. Carry this sense of balance, love, and energy with you into your day.